Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right. One set. Big Kraken one.
Oh! We have arrived at Flite Fest. Speaker playing.
Am I gonna what? Oh yeah, turn on the speaker. That might be a good idea.
Turn on the speaker. Can you hear those tunes? I love those tunes.
Keep an eye out on that plane. Keep an eye out for other planes.
What kind of batteries you got on there?
All right, real quick, hold on. We got
Ooh,
trying to get the
5500 6L.
Big builds. All right, 3. Oh, no!
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yes! Very nice.
It didn't last long. Fire!
Hell yeah!
That's gonna be a long way.
I'm playing music.
They have got fire.
2, 1, and launch. Everybody keep your head on the swivel, please. Just keep an eye out. Keep an eye out. Up. Oh! Oh my goodness gracious! Oh, the tank is a Kraken. Oh,
Yeah, get the Kraken.
unless I missed it, man, I gotta go get my eyes checked.
Everybody get the Kraken.
So, if you can bring down the Kraken, you can bring down the Kraken, then you're gonna get a prize. I think that big, huge wing, the Kraken. Can that Kraken hit that Batman? Can Kraken hit the Batman? Oh, he's coming.
Come on,
Oh,
Kraken.
man, so close. Get him down low. Bring it on down low. 20 feet below. Bring it on down low.
Oh! Oh, yeah!
Yes! Kraken, my man.
Yeah, victory roll.
Up and said,
Victory roll.
oh, that was epic. Come see me. Grab your prize. Fantastic. All right.
I get a prize.
That's awesome. Wheels, no on wheels. All right. All right, this is what's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. Who wants it? Who wants it? Big Kraken wants it. Oh!
Yes! Yes!
Kraken don't care.
Kraken!
Kraken.
Come on, Kraken. Oh. Do you want to go around? Do
Wing.
you want to go around?
Oh, Kraken.
Oh!
All right, give guys
Oh, Kraken out of battery.
The Kraken.
Well done. Go check it out.
Amazing.
Very nice.
Excited?
Excellent.
I'm gonna go check it out.
That was its first flight too.
First flight. Made
First
it,
flight.
and I shredded 2 planes apart.
Oh, dude.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh. That was exhilarating.
It's still playing music.
Also, make sure you're looking for things out there in the field. Just scour the field. Make sure that you can try to find whatever else is out there.